Hey guys, welcome to my channel Garden Stories. Today I'm gonna show you how to grow tomatoes at your home without using any seeds. For this, first step is to choose the right tomato and cut into thin slices. Now just place the slices on the top of soil and cover this with the soil. For planting, we use regular potting mix, that is coco peat, perlite and garden soil. Now keep the pot in the semi-shaded place and you should have to water it regularly. Now you can see the seeds are sprouted very well. After the seedlings attain some height, you can also transplant it to separate pots or directly into the field.